high level, what is Google Search Console?
It's a great tool. It's especially great for organic performance monitoring and for SEO strategies. It allows you to monitor essentially how Google views your site and also troubleshooting anything that's impacting your site's presence within Google's organic search results. So, for example, if you can't see one of your main important pages on in Google search results, that may be something where you look into Google Search Console and you'll be able to see what issue is preventing that page from being indexed. There's a lot of great tools in there, mostly geared towards organic, such as Core Web Vitals, performance, things like that.
Yeah, and Google Search Console. I mean, this is one of the first places that I go to check every day. I just love it. There's just so much great information, and the best part, outside of the information that it shares, it's free. It's not a paid platform. There's a lot of great tools out there like SEMrush, which we also subscribe to. But yeah, it's free.